Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Thursday afternoon, about 3:30. And the picture pretty much tells the story here. Low clouds, fog, periods of rain, temperatures that are in the 50s. So forecast pretty much on track as far as the rainfall. It's a little cooler than expected, but we may actually jump back up into the 60s actually tonight as milder air comes in. But obviously grab the umbrellas. The rain will continue throughout the evening and into the overnight hours. In fact, what we're tracking here is a rainy night. At times it's light, other times you get some downpours. A slight chance, I don't think it's widespread, of an isolated thunderstorm. Of course, it's been a windy spring. We all know that. And we're going to turn the wind machine back on for both Friday and Saturday. Both of those days, gusts 30, 40 miles per hour. And it's too bad, especially Saturday, because we're forecasting sunshine on Saturday, but unfortunately, it's pretty blustery. The temperatures will be in the 60s, but the wind on Saturday at times will make it feel cooler. So, Saturday is one of those days where if you find a spot out of the wind, it's actually pretty nice. It's beautiful on Sunday, just for the simple fact that, well, for one, it's milder, and there's less wind Sunday. All right, satellite composite showing, the bands of green coming in, which is the precipitation. Here's the wider view. And this moisture extends all the way back through the Ohio Valley and the Midwest. So this is all moving in. It'll continue to move in this evening and during the overnight hours. So the north and west of that, and you see drier air, and that's actually going to sneak in by Friday. Now, I wouldn't rule out an isolated, passing shower late Friday afternoon. I just feel as though a better part of Friday is actually dry. So we take a look at the forecast. I'm going to start off this evening at 7 o'clock, and you see all the rain there. Temperatures in the mid and upper 50s. So let's set this into motion, and we'll take you up till about midnight. And you see the little area of orange and yellow and right in here. It could be a downpour or even an isolated thunderstorm. And notice how the temperatures actually go up by midnight into the mid-60s. So our high temperature today may actually be achieved just before midnight. SW represents a southwest wind sustained at 17, so that wind direction is kind of bringing in milder air for tonight. And again, we show this wind dial every night, and it doesn't represent wind gusts, but rather sustained wind. And the further to the right the dial goes, that means the wind is stronger. The further to the left, the wind is light. And of course, the letters below represent wind direction. SW, of course, is southwest. So here we are, 7 in the morning, with breaks in the overcast, temperatures already at 55 to 60. And what's interesting, well, for one, look at the temperatures, how it really warms up, mid and upper 60s. I wouldn't be surprised if a couple of spots try to nudge 70. And the reason why is right here, the wind direction. It's a northwest wind. It's coming in off the land. It's not coming in off the cold ocean, but rather the land. And with some sunshine, which is getting stronger this time of year, the temperatures are going to be boosted up into the mid and upper 60s. Though it's windy, unfortunately. You've got a sustained wind at 2 o'clock in the afternoon at 20, gusting to 30 miles per hour at times. Here we are 5 o'clock in the evening or in the afternoon. It's in the 60s with sunshine. Your Friday night's is not bad at all. Just, if you're going to be outdoors, it's a windy evening, but at least it's dry. By 11 o'clock, it's in the upper 40s. So here is the breakdown for this evening and tonight. Just more of the same. Periods of rain. Temperatures upper 50s to lower 60s. And here we are on your Friday morning. Any early morning clouds giving way to partly sunny skies. Gusty winds and drier. By noontime, it's already at 64. And here's the forecast in more detail for Friday afternoon. Gale warning, no surprise there. West-northwest 15 to 25, gusts to 35 knots. And notice the coastline is pretty mild as well. And the reason why, there's no wind coming in and off the water. There's no sea breeze. It's a land breeze. So the wind is coming off the land. And that's why places like Narragansett as high as the upper 60s. Upper 60s, mid to upper 60s in the northern part of the state, a blend of clouds and sunshine, windy and dry. And same deal across southeastern Massachusetts. So, wrapping it up, keep the umbrellas nearby for tonight. A windy, mild, and dry day on Friday. Weekend's not bad. You got sunshine both days, though Sunday is slightly more comfortable because it's warmer. It's warmer on Sunday, and there is less wind. All right, more weather information coming up starting shortly on 12 News starting at 4 o'clock, and will take us through till 6:30. Then you can switch over to Fox Providence from 6:30 to 7 o'clock. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.